In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top of it. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and use this gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Following that, select while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again or simply stop talking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!